Hi guys, to receive this faucet with pull down sprayer for reviewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. So let's take everything out of the box. You can see this is a base and it has a matte color. As you can see, it comes with instructions. It's a really quick installation, okay? It comes very well protected with lots of foam and comes with everything you need to install, okay? All screwdrivers, pieces. As you can see, this is a sprayer. It's looked really nice. You can see it's all matte finish. It has this sprayer with 3 modes, and I think this is a third one, or it's a stop. Let's see. And this is a weight, okay? You place it in here so you can, well, when you pull down the sprayer, it goes all the way back by itself, okay? So let's go ahead and install it. Let's go. It was a quick installation, basic for a faucet like this, but let's talk about the proper faucet, okay? We turn it to this side and we make like this. We will activate the hot water, okay? And when we turn it to the other side, we get the cold water, okay? You have 3 sprayer modes. This like shower head one, you can see. And you got this other one, like a regular water flow. Last, to clean, you've got this one. Okay, you can see. It's like 2 sides. And it's really nice and perfect to clean your sink, okay? It's really nice. As you can see, you can pull it down. It goes back up without an effort, and you can turn it this way, okay? You can see it doesn't have any kind of leakage, which I think it's really nice. Now the colors are beautiful, okay? As you can see, it has this matte finish, which I find quite beautiful, and well, it's perfect for your kitchen sink. I will really recommend it because it has a different kind of feature that I quite like this options to have 3 sprayers and not just 2 of them, okay? So that's why I will really recommend it. See ya!